Oh, it's a new day. Just bought wood at Lowe's. So let's try to make the front deck. See, we can mock that up. It's not supposed to rain today. It's pouring rain. And I'm gonna try to fix the forward and reverse lever on the new ski. Kind of want to take it apart now. Getting real antsy, but I think I need to enjoy it at least one more time. Then we'll take it apart. So let's go back to the garage, unload the wood, and then get to working. Picked up 2 sheets of plywood. I'm gonna end up like fiberglass resining them, so I don't really care. Some 2x4s. Wouldn't be a shop video if I wasn't doing a cleanup time lapse. So here is the dirty garage from the other day, and let's clean it up. So the next step, I grab a piece of wood, put my template for the top on it, spray paint around it, cut it out. Well, this is too big for this. Ah, shucks. That's not fun. So I guess I'll have to cut that or do it in 2 pieces. Damn it. Guess I'm gonna cut it right here, do that piece, and then do that piece. The only option I have. So I'm gonna leave a little wiggle room on every side just so I can rough cut it. And then I'm gonna have to fine tune it. I want this to be perfect. So we'll see, and that's a straight edge. So that'll be good. Cool beans. Time to bust out old Trusty from Sears. Brand new blade. Let's get it. And yeah, I know, I'm making way more work for myself, way more cuts, but I don't want to screw it up. So I'm just taking my time, inch by inch, getting her done. Sounds broken, and it's smoking. Old Trusty ain't trusty no mo. I feel like a lot of YouTubers don't show the failures of shit. I never accounted for the thickness of the wood. I made a damn mess. This sucks. Doesn't work. I've been doing this for like 3 hours now. I just stopped filming because my phone was gonna fill up and it's boring. But just keep trying, I guess. So this isn't gonna work. So back to the drawing board. I don't know. See what I can come up with and a different approach to it. No idea how this is gonna work. Not really sure where I left off, but did a lot of research online, like just looking at pictures, seeing how other people did the front decks. I know what I like now. I don't know how to build it, but we're gonna try. It's currently 6 a.m. It's Friday. Going to the garage before work, as per usual. Usually give myself about 3 hours to work on my shit before I go to work. But let's try to re-cardboard and re-plan out the way the deck is built. We're gonna make it lower so you can really sit on it, and maybe cover all the walls of the inside of the boat. I think that's just gonna look better, so it's not like the ribbed stuff. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Goodbye. Alright, for structure purposes, I noticed the boat was flexing a lot, so I reinstalled the front 2 seats, and then I made my stand the seat height. So I think that's going to be a lot better. Now I just got to build the back section, and we should be on the right path finally. I'm way happier with how this is going, for sure. Alrighty, take 2. Obviously, so what I'm going to do is spray paint around and then take a Sharpie once it's dry and make actual lines, like symmetrical ones, and measure. This will give me the rough idea. Trying to do better here. She's painted back in. I think it's better that now it actually fits on 1 piece of wood, so I'm not messing with 2 and trying to blend them together. We're getting a little bit better this time. A little bit better. Oh, I am so happy. Woo! This line's really deceiving, but this is just rough cut. But hey, it don't look too freaking bad. It curves up and in, so it's really hard. But I think if I wrap this in carpet, you won't really know, or like a trim piece. But it's really not that far off. This is just one rough cut, and I just slammed it in here. And it's fucking perfect.
Good job, dum-dum.
The next piece we need to make is this. I'm really over these challenges already, but it's all in the fun of it. I have a template over here, but I'm not sure it's gonna work. I'm not really trusting my templates anymore, but we'll give it a shot. Comment down below what you think I should do with the bottom here. Like I said, I'm trying to be budget friendly. I see a lot of people do like they'll make it flat, so that everything else is like foam or block foam. But at the end of the day, like, I'm trying to be really budget friendly. So instead of it being like the super done up, I figured I'd seam everything in the inside and then gray bed liner it, and then do sea deck up here or carpet, and then just have 2 seats, and then probably make a top here to cover the engine. Not sure yet, but let me know down in the comments, and maybe I'll take your advice, or I'll just ignore it completely. save this for another day. Finish that part. This is just like half finished. So now we'll end the video with a good old cleaning time lapse of how messy this damn shop is. I mean, there is sawdust everywhere. It's usually like welding dust and grinding dust. Let's clean this all up, empty out the boat. From then, we're gonna take the boat, we're gonna stick it outside, bring the jet ski in, and start ripping and tearing it apart. Alrighty, last few clips of this video start. The ski's in. The next video will probably be like a couple hours long. It's not for everybody. It's more or less like a, hey, I took this apart. If you need, not even fast forward, just bolt by bolt. I don't really see it done a lot, but I think it would be really handy for someone else with a wave venture. So I'm gonna do that. Give me some time to recoup some more money for the jet boat. Now I gotta go put the jet boat away and get back to work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content, whatever, the bullshit content, whatever. Have a great day.